Take your time.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, just push it
Yeah, right. The middle.
like that. The plastic bags are seen better days.
Yeah, I think today was the last day I'm using it.
Yeah.
I'm not really gonna do much of it tomorrow.
Yeah, I might have some stuff in the food bag I could use. Tea bag or something. Bread bags would be the move.
Mm-hmm.
How much is the elevation right now? Do you know?
10,600?
This house.
Like that?
The lowest will be until Pagosa.
Yeah.
This is the lowest will be.
Until
Until
Pagosa.
Pagosa.
Oh boy. You have a nice place to
Section.
roll through.
What'd you say?
Pretty crazy section.
It is a pretty crazy section.
Yeah.
Especially if you count like all the way, Lake City all the way through. We split it up. That's a really crazy section. Now I see why so many Northbounders don't do this section. They have more snow than we do, usually.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah,
At
a
the
lot more
time.
snow. Especially this year.
Yeah, Colorado is almost snow, actually.
And those traverses up there,
Oh, that would be so hard.
when it's ice,
Yeah, that would not be fun.
So very nice. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
this time I don't even have to do the 6 inches thing. Oh shit! I think something just.
Oh, that's a hole in my pants.
Uh-oh.
yeah, be careful, guys.
Oh, there's a huge hole in my pants. But I don't like it. What's the best way for us to fire up this little sausage?
Oh, you cook 'em? Get a stick and roast them over the fire.
Yeah.
Hot dog style.
Good idea. Plant-based sausage, Italian.
Marvel at like for the next 15 minutes. No, I'm gonna think about how hungry I am.
On the
You
stomach.
can ban it.
That is paper. Huh?
Yeah, it's paper.
That's a cool, like, thing. I've never heard of this
I
song.
haven't either. I think you're local to Durango.
What is that? Did you get from the Hikebox?
No, I got it from the Durango.
The
I got it from the
spring?
outfitter.
Outfitters.
Yeah, I wanted something that wasn't mac and cheese and
Oh, that's
all the normal stuff we eat.
big pieces that will fly out.
I'm gonna fire here.
Ooh. Okay, thank you.
Dump out my freaking neck. Shit. There's the yeast stuff.
With the
Right
hole?
here.
Yeah. Be careful. Yesterday I got the big hole at my shoes.
These are so wrinkly. Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Wet food all day.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, try it.
It's like being back in the Bob, but colder.
The Bob was cool.
It was cool, but I was expecting more. It has this big name for it, you know? The
Yeah.
Bob! And I was like, oh, okay. It's cool. There's like a lot of meats and wildlife.
Just like
It's really remote, but
green tunnel.
It was a lot of green stuff.
not just green tunnel, like overgrown tunnel.
With water everywhere.
Water everywhere.
Although there were a lot less blowdowns than I thought there would be.
Yeah, that's very
You know, like I went into it thinking like I'm gonna spend all day jungle gymming through this freaking national forest. But no, since there was a mild winter, you know, it's pretty chill. What a crazy day.
ハイカータイム。はい、皆さんこんにちは、いつもハイカータイムをご覧いただきありがとうございます。ハイカータイムのチャンネルではですね、UL ハイキングとそしてロングトレイルの魅力を伝えています。はい。で、今、まさにですね、僕は、アメリカにある、コンチネンタルディバイドトレイルという、5000キロのトレイルをですね、約4ヶ月間かけて、歩いています。はい。で、どこからどこなのかっていうと、カナダとアメリカの国境にある、のボーダーからですねの一番近いモンタナ州っていうところからそこの、カナダとアメリカの国境沿いがスタートになってます。でそしてどこに向かうのかというと、ニューメキシコですね、アメリカとメキシコの国境沿いのところの、ニューメキシコっていう町のところまで、行ってでそこの、ボーダーラインにタッチしたら、終了になります。はい。で、本当、4ヶ月間かけて、歩くんですけども、どんなことが、この、トレイルで待っているのかっていうのを、この、YouTube を通じてですね、細かく、発信もしていきたいなと思いますのでぜひ、面白ければですね、コメントそして、いいねでそして忘れてはいけないフォローをお願いいたします。はい。どんどんですね風貌変わっていくかなと思うんですけども、はい、結構今これ撮ってるのが序盤になると思うんですけども、はい、ぜひ、その変わっていってる感じも見ていただけたらなと思います。はい、ではよろしくお願いします。ちなみにこれはベアスプレーです。めっちゃクマ出ます。よいしょ。
ハイカータイム。